Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to make super easy oven baked dill fish recipe. The flavor is very mild and cooks quickly for a busy weeknight. The marinade makes all the difference and infuses the fish with mouth-watering flavors. So let's get started. For this recipe, we'll need 2 pounds of fish. Any white fish will work, but here I am using cod. Cut the fish into desirable size fillet and place in a baking dish. Secondly, we'll chop some fresh dill leaves for the marination. Hold the dill by the stem and remove leaves. Now chop them finely. Sprinkle some salt to taste, freshly chopped dill leaves, and drizzle some lemon juice on top of each piece. Then gently rub the fish and flip side to repeat the process to coat it evenly on all sides. Then we'll marinate the fish for 30 minutes in refrigerator, and after 30 minutes, coat the wire rack with some oil and place the fish. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove the fish from the oven and serve hot with thinly sliced onions, tomatoes, and homemade yogurt dip. I hope you like this quick weeknight dinner recipe. For more interesting videos, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.